I'm Calvin, and today we're at my home in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Today we're doing an install of Alert 360 of their security system and all their software into our house. Who hasn't heard of Alert 360? Their signs, their marketing, it's everywhere, and their headquarters is here in Tulsa. This is the first time that we've had a security system in our house. We'd like to have a security system because we want to have peace of mind. So being recently married, I want my wife to feel safe at home, and whenever I'm not here or whenever neither of us are here and our dogs are here on their own. So it just feels good to know that our home is going to be secure, that we'll have motion sensors and we'll have all sorts of security devices around the house to give us any sort of notification if something's wrong. Working with Alert 360 has been fantastic. The technician, Jacob, came out and he walked us through all the tutorials, how to work all the devices and how to troubleshoot. It's nice knowing that while we rest and while we're away, that we'll have some sort of line of defense here to let us know if there's anything going on with our home. And it helps to know that our dogs will be safe too. So if you don't have security, unlike I do now, then I would highly recommend you get Alert 360.